Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. Nice to meet you. My name is Valentina. On today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about or reviewing the new Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. I'm sure you guys have seen a million reviews on this palette, but I haven't done a English video in a while. I've been kind of chucking away Spanish videos, so I decided to do this one in English as well for those of you that are interested in this highly priced item, because in my opinion it's probably the most expensive palette I own. I don't have anything from Natasha Denona, so this is my most expensive palette. So I hope you guys like this video. As usual, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright guys, so when I first received the palette, I ended up buying this palette because I had the 20% from the BIB sale, and I was like, this is my chance. This is, by the way, my first Huda Beauty palette. I own like a small one that I got a long time ago, but this is actually my first official Huda Beauty palette. Yay! I decided to actually buy this palette because I think it's so different. It has so many pastel colors that I don't have in my collection. So I wanted to add something like this to my collection, and I saw that she launched this. I mean, her PR team is amazing. I probably saw Mercury Retrograde in my soup. Was everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. So yeah, I decided to buy it. So this is what this baby looks like. I'm sure you guys are familiar. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm obviously wearing this eyeshadows on my eyes. I will obviously insert later a little mini tutorial on how to achieve this look. You guys know the drill. I always do my reviews. I talk about the product, we do swatches, then I move on to mini tutorial, and then I come back and give you guys my final thoughts. So yeah, this is a palette. It retails for $67. Like, holy moly, $67. That's crazy. That's so expensive. But in my defense, first Huda Beauty palette, different colors, cool tones that I've been really into lately, so I needed to buy it. So yeah, this is the little baby, or the big baby. $67. I did get a chance to play with it twice. This is not my first rodeo with this baby, so I'll obviously give you guys my thoughts at the end of this video on what colors I actually really like and some of them that were kind of iffy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I went on the site to check what the, how many mattes and yada yada, and it says it has 9 buttery mattes, 6 high shine creamy metallics with pearls, 1 glitter powder charge with pearls and silver sparkles, and 2 sheer multi-reflective shadows for a multi-dimensional glow. So yeah, I believe it's 18 shadows for the price of $67. So now let's move on to swatches, and then I will come back and show you guys how to achieve this look real quick, and then we just finalize the video with my final thoughts. There is a lot to be said since this is the first time I tried her formula, and this is the second time I tried to put it in my eyes. So there is some things that worked out and some that didn't so much. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, let me know down below what you thought of this look. I will be uploading a fast tutorial on my Instagram, including my face and my lips, so I'll be sharing everything on Instagram. Follow me there. By the way, I'm doing a $1,000 and iPhone 11 giveaway as well on my Instagram, so follow me there and participate. This is a huge giveaway for the end of the year, so don't miss out. Alright, so now let's talk about this baby, because this is what we're here for. So let me just share with you guys a few things that I've found. But the first time I used this palette, was last Saturday. I decided to do a purple light to go out, and this a specific shadow, this one and this one, gave me the hardest time on Saturday. I don't know, because I was using a specific brush that it wasn't dense enough to pick up the particles, but it was just kind of going anywhere. It wasn't really attaching to my eyes, so I was a little bit disappointed. I did use this purple today on the bottom lash line. I did find that I attach a little bit better with this little pencil brush that I have here, so I will be playing around more with these colors, but I did find Vortex a little bit patchy, have to be honest. I did find that most of the mattes, as you guys can tell, they swatch beautifully. They apply really beautiful on the eyes. Like this one applied on the eyes like a dream. So definitely was super impressed by that formula. It does have a little bit of fallout. You guys can actually see it on the palette, but I didn't see it on like the bottom of my eye, so that's always good. One thing I want to add about the satin shades, like this ones that are supposed to be reflective, I do wish they were a little bit more buttery. They are, but for some reason I just want a little bit more. Maybe I'm just used to the Anastasia Beverly Hills creamy texture, or even Lorax kind of creamy shadow texture. I don't know how to describe it, but this one's, I don't know, I just wish they were a little bit more buttery. But for the most part, they perform well. At least the ones that I used today all over my lid, they're attached very beautiful, and as you guys can tell, they look beautiful, so that's nice. Is this palette worth it? I mean, if you have $67 to spare, I think it's a great addition to your to your makeup collection, if you're a makeup collector like me. If you're looking for this type of shades, I do think it's very original. The shades, like especially this like purples, are super in right now, and I know that we're coming into the Christmas season, and I know a lot of cool tone shades are gonna be like the thing during this Christmas season. So if you are looking for a palette that has cool tones or different colors, purples, and you know, all of this fun stuff, I think this would be a great addition to your collection. It is a little bit pricey, so I do have to you know, be honest, and I do wish that this was a little bit cheaper, just because I think it would be a little more accessible for some of us that don't have the money, or don't want to spend or don't collect makeup and don't want to spend that much on a palette. But anyways, overall, really loved it. I think it's beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. It's really steady. I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry if I have thick accent. I love the presentation, like the Huda eyes. I just think it's such an homage to her background, just like the Arabic eyes. The Arab eyes, I just find them so beautiful. So this packaging is everything. Very sturdy. You don't feel like you're paying for a cheap palette. I love the mirror. The mirror is very high quality, so that's always nice. So keep that in mind, that you are getting a very luxe kind of looking palette. Alright guys, and that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and enter my giveaway for the end of the year. It's only going to be open for 2 weeks, so please be sure to enter. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe again. Bye bye.